Okay, Puppet Stayman, the lesson. So if you didn't come for the live lesson, here it is again, and also here it is, so you can look at it at any time at your convenience. So Puppet Stayman is used after a 2-no trump opener or a 2-no trump rebid. So a 2-no trump opener is quite often 20 to 22 points. A 2-no trump rebid after opening 2 clubs usually shows 23 to 24 high card points. So for example, the bidding sequence might go 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, and then the original 2 club bid will bid 2 no trumps, showing 23 to 24 points. So this strong hand may contain a 5 card major. And the Puppet Stayman bid is 3 clubs. Now, to use this Puppet Stayman bid, we need to be interested in knowing if partner has 4 or 5 card major. So there's no point in using it if we're not interested whether they've got a 4 card or a 5 card major or not. So if we aren't interested, we don't use it. So in bridge, we don't use systems for the sake of using systems, believe it or not. Okay. So like anything in life, if we use the right tool for the job, life becomes easier. So 3 clubs, this bid shows nothing about clubs, okay? You could have no clubs in your hand if you use it. It's what's known as a relay bid. Similar to when partner opens a no trump, showing a weak no trump or even a strong no trump. When we use the 2 club bid, that's known as Stayman, asking for usually 4 card majors, okay? And that's what's known as a relay bid. A relay bid is where we expect partner to bid again. Okay, so we're expecting more information from them. So for instance, when we open 1 no trump and partner bids 2 club Stayman, we're expected to bid 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, or 2 spades. We were expected to bid one of those 3 things to show partner more information. Likewise, we're going to use the 3 club bid as Puppet Stayman to show, to explain our hand even further. So there are only 4 responses. So unlike normal Stayman at the 1 level, where there's only 3 responses, here we've got 4 different responses. So if our partner responds 3 diamonds, they're showing at least 1 4 card major. If they bid 3 hearts, they're showing at least a 5 card heart suit. Excuse me. If they bid 3 spades, they're now showing a 5 card spade suit. And if they bid 3 no trumps, they're denying a 5 card suit, sorry, a 5 card major and a 4 card major. Okay, so it's possible they've got a 5 card club suit or a 5 card diamond suit, but what they're doing is denying a 4 card or 5 card major when they bid 3 no trumps. So which hands would we bid 3 clubs with? So partners open 2 no trumps, 20 to 22 points. Okay, we're now going to bid 3 clubs, Puppet Stayman. So would we bid it with this hand? The answer is yes, we would, because we've got 2 4 card majors. We're interested in partner holding a 4 card major. Here, we're going to bid 3 clubs because we're interested in partner holding a 5 card major. If partner has a 5 card major, they're going to tell us about it. Likewise, we're interested in knowing if partner has a 5 card heart suit. Let's ask them. We can do that by bidding 3 clubs using Puppet Stayman. Okay, here we've got 5 hearts and 4 spades. Now, here we don't use Puppet Stayman. We're just going to use a regular transfer. So instead of bidding 3 clubs, we're going to bid 3 diamonds, which would show a 5 card heart suit. Now, when partner now bids 3 hearts, we're now going to bid 3 spades, and we're now going to show our shape by doing that. By transferring to hearts first, we're showing 5 hearts. And then by bidding 3 spades next, we're showing a 4 card spade suit. So we're showing our shape that way. So we can use transfers to show our shape. And then partner then can make the final decision of what they want to do, whether they want to bid 3 no trumps, 4 hearts, or 4 spades, depending or not whether they have at least an 8 card major fit or not. Okay, so the second example, we're just going to bid 3 no trumps. So we're only going to use Puppet Stayman, the 3 club bid, when we're interested in knowing if partner has a 5 card major or a 4 card major. Here we're not interested in playing in 4 of a major. Okay, we're just going to bid 3 no trumps and hope, cross our fingers that the opposition aren't going to run off 5 tricks in hearts or spades. Okay, now With this hand, again, we're not going to bid 3 clubs, okay? It's not because we're not interested in a 4-card major. We've got another bid to describe this hand. So we're going to use a bid of 3 spades this time. 3 spades shows we've got exactly 5 spades and 4 hearts. So it's a conventional bid which just describes our hand. Now, the reason why we don't transfer to spades and then bid hearts, because that would put us past 3 no trumps. So if we bid 3 hearts to transfer to spades and then bid hearts to show that we've got 4 hearts, to show our shape, we would have gone past 3 no trumps, because 3 no trumps might be the prime contract. Partner might have 3 hearts in the hand and 2 spades. We might not have a fit, and therefore the contract might be best played in 3 no trumps. So here we're going to use this conventional bid by bidding 3 spades to show exactly 5 spades and 4 hearts, and now our partner can decide whether to bid 3 no trumps, 4 hearts, or 4 spades. Okay, so what hands give a 3 diamond response? So a partner opens 2 no trumps, showing 20 to 22 points. We bid 3 clubs, puppet Stayman. Our partner now bids 3 diamonds on all of these hands, okay? All of these hands show at least 1 4-card major. Here we have a 4-card heart suit. This hand we have a 4-card spade suit. And in the last hand, we have both a 4-card heart suit and a 4-card spade suit. So when you bid 3 diamonds, when the opener bids 3 diamonds, they're showing at least 1 4-card major. So what hands give a 3 heart response? Very simply, if you have 5 hearts, you're just going to bid 3 hearts. So all of these hands have 5 hearts, and you just bid 3 hearts. Simple stuff. 3 heart bid shows a 5-card heart suit. Likewise, when you bid 3 spades, shows a 5-card spade suit. Okay, and the bidding is just going to go 2 no trumps, 3 clubs, 3 spades. Okay, and then partner can take it from there. So what about if partner bids 3 no trumps? What kind of hands are going to bid with this? Here, we don't have a 4-card major. We're just going to bypass diamonds, hearts, and spades and just go straight to 3 no trumps to deny a 4-card major or more. Okay, so all of these hands don't have a 4-card major. We're just going to go straight to 3 no trumps. And quite a lot of the time, that's probably going to end the auction. So what about 2 no trumps, strong hand, 3 clubs, puppet Stayman, 3 diamonds bid, now shows a 4-card major, at least 1 4-card major. So this is where the bidding gets interesting. So you've got this weak hand, and you know partner has at least 1 4-card major. So many of you are probably thinking, well, I'm just going to bid 3 spades with this. I've got 4 spades. But no, we don't. We actually bid 3 hearts. 3 hearts in this position shows we have a 4-card spade suit. What we do is we bid the suit we don't have. So we bid the 4-card major we don't have. Okay, so here we bid 3 hearts to show we have 4 spades. The idea being that if partner does have a 4-card spade suit, they will simply bid spades themselves. And that way we can get the strong hand to play the contract out in spades rather than ourselves playing it out. It might be more beneficial if partner bids, plays it out in spades. That way the lead is coming into him or her. Okay, and it'd be best played that way. So here, this hand, we have 4 hearts. So if you go back to the other hand, here we have 4 hearts. We're going to bid 3 spades. So we bid the major we don't have. We don't have spades, so we're going to bid 3 spades to show we have hearts. Okay, so what about this hand then? Partner has now shown a 4-card major. We're now going to bid 3 no trumps. We don't have a fit with them. We have a 4-3 fit at most. So we're now just going to bid 3 no trumps and settle for 3 no trumps. In this last hand, we have both 4-card majors. So over 3 diamonds, we know partner has at least 1 4-card major. This time we come up with a special bid of 4 diamonds in this particular instance. 4 diamonds shows both majors. Again, we haven't bid the major ourselves. We're letting them bid the major. 4 diamonds shows specifically both 4-card majors. An opener now can bid 4 hearts or 4 spades. They can decide which major they want to play in. The other thing specific about this bid is when you bid 4 diamonds, it shows no interest in slam. So the specific bid for that would be 4 clubs, which would show 4-4 in the majors and show an interest in slam. Okay. So what about 2 no trumps, 3 clubs, 3 hearts is showing a 5-card major. Okay, so we've got this hand. Here, partner has 5 hearts. We're simply going to raise them to 4 hearts. We have a 5-3 fit. We're going to play in 4 hearts. Here, partner has 5 hearts. We only have 2. So we have a 7-card fit. We don't have a heart fit. So we're going to play in 3 no trumps. This time, partner shows a 5-card spade suit. We have 3-card support, and we're just going to bid 4 spades. We're going to bid the game. Partner again now shows a 5-card spade suit. We don't have an 8-card fit. We're going to bid 3 no trumps. Okay, so this time 2 no trumps, 3 clubs, 3 no trumps. Partner has shown no 4-card major or more. Here we have both 4-card majors, but partner doesn't have a 4-card major. So we're just going to pass and settle in 3 no trumps. Likewise for this hand, again, we haven't found a 4 or 5-card major, so we're just going to settle for 3 no trumps and just pass. Okay, so 2 no trumps, 3 clubs, 3 diamonds. Partner has shown a 4-card major. 3 heart bid, we have shown 4-card spade support. Okay, so we're the strong hand. Partner's shown a 4-card spade suit. We're now just going to bid 3 spades with this hand. Not 4 spades, we can bid 3 spades. We can keep the bidding low. We don't know exactly what partner's got in their hand. All these sequences are forcing 3 clubs and 3 hearts. They are forcing bids. So partner could have quite a good hand here. They could have a 14 count. They could have a 5 count. We don't know. Okay, so we're just going to bid 3 spades to show we have the 4-4 fit. Now, partner then can take things on from there if they want to. They can Q bid. For instance, they could bid 4 clubs. They could bid 4 diamonds. And that would show then an interest in slam in spades. Or they could just raise 3 spades to 4 spades, and then that would end the auction. Okay, so now they're showing a 4-card spade suit. We're just going to bid 3 no trumps. We don't have a fit with them. We bid 3 no trumps. So this time when they bid 3 spades, they're showing a 4-card heart suit. So here we don't have a 4-card heart suit support. We're just going to bid 3 no trumps. We don't have a fit with partner. Here we have 4 hearts. We have a fit for partner. Now we're going to bid 4 hearts. Okay, now if they want to bid key card or whatever, or Q bid or do anything they want, they can do that. Or most of the time, they're probably going to pass. Okay. Usually people have a weak hand opposite your massive hand, okay? So next case then, so 2 no trumps, 3 clubs, 3 diamonds, 4 diamonds. So in this particular instance, partner has shown 2 4-card majors, okay? And we have 1. So when partner has 2 4-card majors and we have a 4-card heart suit, we're going to bid 4 hearts. The other thing about this bid, it shows no interest in slam, so we just bid 4 hearts. Okay, in this particular occasion, we have 4 spades. So we're going to bid 4 spades. Okay, what happens if we're lucky to have both 4-card majors? Well, in this particular instance, it doesn't really matter. Both majors are pretty much the same. We can choose either. It's pretty much going to be a guess of which one might be better, which one might play out better. It's purely a guess. So you can make the decision you want. Okay. Quite often, you might be best choosing the trump suit, which is your weakest. So for instance, let's say you had ace, king of spades to 4, and you had queen, jack of hearts to 4. You might be better off playing in hearts. I won't go over the reasons now, but you're probably best choosing the weaker trump suit. Okay. So you can also play puppet Stayman opposite a 1 no trump opener. So let's have a look at these 2 hands. So North here opens 1 no trump, 12 to 14 points, can contain a 5-card major. South, if you weren't playing puppet Stayman, might just raise to 3 no trumps, thinking, well, we've got enough points for game. And then quite clearly, you're going to go flying off when they take the first 5 or 6 heart tricks. So here, what we can do is play puppet Stayman. So over 1 no trump, we can bid 3 clubs with this, and then effectively like they've opened 2 no trumps, except here we're bidding 3 clubs opposite a 1 no trump opener. So 3 clubs then as partner, Puppet Stayman. Have you got a 5-card suit in the majors? If so, bid it. If you've only got a 4-card major, you'd then bid 3 diamonds. So here we've got a 5-card spade suit. So we're going to bid 3 spades. And then South is going to be happy to raise 3 spades to 4 spades, knowing they've got a 5-3 spade pit, and they might well have poor hearts between them. Okay, so you cannot play Puppet opposite a 2 club and then a subsequent 3 no trump bid. So 3 no trump showing a really strong hand, 25 to 27 high card points, you'll get too high. So let's have a look at these 2 hands. So the left hand shows a 26 count, and the right hand shows a 1 count. So North here opens 2 clubs, South bids 2 diamonds, and North now bids 3 no trumps, showing this 25 to 27 high card points. North thinks, I don't really like my clubs, and I've got these 5-4-4 shape. Now decides to bid 3 clubs. Now, if you're playing Puppet Stayman, this is how it would go. So if you're playing Puppet Stayman over 3 no trumps, you'd now bid 4 clubs, Puppet Stayman. Now, your responses are to bid 4 diamonds in this particular case. 4 diamonds are show I've got a 4-card major. And then with this hand, 4 diamonds, you'd then raise to 5 diamonds, saying, I've got both 4-card majors. Partner, please choose one. And then you'd obviously choose 5 spades. But clearly, it's silly to play in 5 spades when it's too high a level. Okay, so Puppet Stayman in this particular instance would force you to 5 spades. And you don't want to go that high. And that's why you can't play Puppet Stayman in this particular auction. So here you're just going to have to play regular Stayman. So the bidding will go 2 clubs, 2 diamonds, 3 no trumps, 4 clubs, and then this hand would bid 4 spades, and that would complete the auction. Okay. So this concludes the most common bids in Puppet Stayman, and this will suffice for 90% of the hands. There are more advanced stuff, okay, but I'm not going to cover that today. So this is the very basics of Puppet Stayman, and that should cover you for 90% of the hands. I hope you've enjoyed that Puppet Stayman seminar, and put in the comments below if you've enjoyed it, and hopefully we can look forward to some more seminars in the future. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye now. Okay, let's send it.